How to unblock someone in Google Chat. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you are trying to do that, you can follow the steps. So for that, you can go in and open up Google Chat into your device, the application. You can just tap on it to open it up. Once you open it up, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So if you want to unblock someone, all you gotta do is from this interface at the top left corner of your screen, you should be finding a 3 horizontal lines. The menu, you can tap on it and this opens up. Now from the given options, go ahead and select the option that says settings from here. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it here, you will be finding settings. Now from settings, you need to scroll down. And here you should be finding an option of manage blocking. So from the manage blocking section, you can go to the option that says manage blocked users in chat. Just go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, it will redirect you to a website. Now from here, what you need to do is simply, currently I have no one, but if you have blocked someone, all you gotta do is tap on that person's account and tap on unblock option, and that's it. So that is how you basically unblock someone in Google Chat very easily. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.